Smoked oxtail has been on my radar for quite some time now, and I'm glad that I finally did it because now I can show you how to make it. Welcome to the channel, and as usual, all the ingredients will be linked in the description box down below. Now you want to start off with the biggest chunks of oxtail that you can find. Now you may need to buy multiple packs depending on how many people you're feeding. Today I'm using Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub, but feel free to use your favorite rub. The most important thing here is complete coverage of the oxtail. You don't want to leave any bites that are not full of maximum flavor. Be very generous with your barbecue rub. Once you've seasoned all your oxtails, we're going to let them rest on the counter while we go and set up our smoker. This is going to let your barbecue rub set up and really adhere to the oxtails. When it comes to smoking meats, I set up my Weber the same way. I use a chimney with briquettes to get the fire going. I have some lump charcoal in my slow and sear filled with water. Once the coals get white hot, I'm gonna pour the coals on top of the lump charcoal. Close the lid, let it come up to 250. Once the temperature hits, I'm gonna throw in some oak wood and then set up my oxtails on the grill. Now we're gonna be smoking this for a total of 3 hours, an hour and a half on each side. Both top and bottom vents are open ever so slightly. I want to keep as much smoke in there because we're only smoking for 3 hours. So after an hour and a half, give these guys a flip because you want both sides to soak up as much smoke flavor as you can. They're looking really beautiful right now. Now lid back on, another hour and a half, and after 3 hours, this is what we get. Now the oxtails will not get tender unless you braise them, and that's what I'm going to do right here. Set them up on a bed of onions, garlic, scallions. I'm gonna bring this inside and hit this with some beef broth or beef stock. If you have your own homemade, feel free to use that, or you can use beer, chicken stock, or any other thing. Try not to use water because you want to introduce flavor. Now into a 350-degree oven for about 3 hours or until fork tender. And this is what you're looking for. Nice fork tender pieces of oxtail. I wish you guys can smell this. The smoke coming off of this is not too strong, but is definitely there. Very soft, like perfect pot roast. Now you can set this up any way you want. I'm gonna go with a little kind of traditional barbecue setup, some white bread, oxtail. I made some beans, got some potato salad and coleslaw. I'm gonna put a little bit of the jus on top, and we are ready to go. Now, if you want to hit this with your favorite barbecue sauce or hot sauce, or just eat it as is, go for it. I'm just gonna take this baseball of an oxtail and just dig right on in. This is crazy delicious, smoky, beefy, just awesome. This is way too good. This nice, sexy oxtail, just silky, soft, just luscious. Oh yeah. Oh, this is amazing. Oh man, I don't think it gets any better than this. Really nice smoky flavor, the fatty, silky, luscious mouthfeel of the oxtail. Hit this with your favorite sauce, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever you want, or even take this braising liquid and reduce it. Oh, this is amazing. Definitely give this recipe a try. Take care of yourselves, and as always, peace.